Who says great photography has to cost a fortune? Cheap cameras prove that you don't need to empty your wallet to capture stunning shots. Whether you're snapping travel memories, experimenting with vlogging, or just starting your photography journey, affordable options are out there, and they're surprisingly good. From compact point-and-shoots to beginner-friendly mirrorless models, these budget-friendly picks deliver plenty of value. In this video, we'll break down the best cheap cameras that make photography fun without breaking the bank. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2, our pick for best cheap rugged camera. If you're the type who treats cameras like adventure buddies instead of delicate collectibles, the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is ready to roll with you. Built tough, this rugged little companion laughs in the face of danger. Waterproof down to 15 meters, shockproof from 2 meters, and dustproof for those sandy beach escapades. Drop it, splash it, bury it in grit. It still comes back swinging, ready for the next shot. Armed with a 16 megapixels backside illuminated complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor and 4x optical zoom, the WPZ2 delivers sharp, colorful images without making you fuss with complicated settings. Add digital image stabilization, and even your most chaotic cliff dives or off-road rides look surprisingly steady. For video, you've got smooth 1080p Full HD recording, perfect for vlogs or action-packed reels that need zero excuses. And let's talk convenience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can shoot, share, and flex your adventures in real time. No cables, no waiting. Pair that with a rechargeable Li-ion battery and a 2.7-inch LCD screen, and you're always in control, whether you're snapping quick selfies on a kayak or filming your buddy's first faceplant on a snowboard. If you want a camera that can keep pace with your wild side without crying for mercy, the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is it. Rugged, reliable, and unapologetically fun. It's not just gear, it's your adventure-proof partner. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4, our pick for best cheap action camera. If you're craving an action camera that won't flinch when things get wild, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is ready to tag along. Armed with a big one over 1.3-inch sensor, it makes your footage look crisp, whether you're chasing sunrise hikes or bombing down a trail at dusk. Low light? No problem. Your adventures will still look epic without the grainy mess. Color is where this little beast flexes even harder. Thanks to 10-bit and D-Log M color performance, your videos pop with jaw-dropping brilliance. Golden hour shots? Gorgeous. Neon city nights? Stunning. You'll make your followers wonder how you pulled it off. This isn't just about pretty pixels though, it's built tough. With up to 150 minutes of battery life and the guts to survive minus 20 degrees Celsius chills, it won't quit on you even when your fingers are ready to tap out. Add in buttery 4K 120 frames per second slow motion and a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view, and suddenly, your skate tricks or mountain rides look like something out of a highlight reel. And when you're switching from landscape vistas to TikTok-friendly vertical shots, the magnetic quick-release system makes it a snap. No fumbling, no fuss, just smooth transitions and non-stop creativity. If you're serious about capturing your adventures with style, the Osmo Action 4 has your back every daring step of the way. Still searching for the perfect cheap camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nikon D3500, our pick for best cheap DSLR camera. If you've been itching to level up from your smartphone, but dread being buried in complicated settings, the Nikon D3500 is your golden ticket. This DSLR gives you pro-level shots without demanding a photography degree. With its compact and comfy design, you can sling it over your shoulder for travel, family gatherings, or any special occasion where just okay pictures simply won't cut it. What makes it shine? The sensor is about 15 times larger than what your phone packs. meaning sharper details, richer colors, and way fewer "why is this so grainy?" moments. Whether you're snapping portraits, landscapes, or that cake you worked way too hard on, your photos will stand out with clarity and depth. Sharing those shots doesn't require jumping through hoops either. Thanks to Nikon's Snap Bridge app, your masterpieces beam straight to your phone or tablet, ready for instant bragging rights on Instagram. And when it's time to switch from stills to motion, the D3500 records smooth 1080p Full HD video with sound at the push of a button. Beginner-friendly but capable of growing with you, this camera nails the sweet spot between simplicity and performance. If you want to stop settling for good enough and start creating photos and videos that actually wow people, the Nikon D3500 is ready to make you look like the pro you secretly are. Number 2. Sony ZV-1F. Our pick for best cheap vlogging camera. If you're ready to take your vlogging game up a notch without torching your wallet, the Sony ZV-1F is your ticket to creating content that looks and sounds like a pro production. Designed with creators in mind, this compact camera is small enough to slip into your bag, but mighty enough to handle your creative ambitions. The ultra-wide 20mm lens means you'll always get yourself and your world in the shot, even when your arm is doing all the tripod work. Pair that with the large 1-inch sensor and f2 lens, and you've got buttery background blur and solid low-light performance that makes your videos pop. Staying in focus is a breeze thanks to eye autofocus and autofocus tracking, which lock onto you so your audience never misses a moment. Add in the fully articulating touchscreen LCD, and you'll find framing your selfies and scenes effortless every single time. Audio? Covered. With the directional 3-capsule mic and a handy windscreen, your voice will sound crisp and clear even when you're braving breezy city streets or outdoor adventures. If you've been relying on your phone for content, the Sony ZV-1F is the step-up you've been waiting for. It's smart, stylish, and built to make your stories shine, because your audience deserves more than shaky clips and muffled sound. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Canon EOS R100, our pick for best cheap camera overall. If you've been holding off on buying a camera because you think cheap means compromised, the Canon EOS R100 is here to prove you wrong. This little powerhouse is the smallest and lightest body in the EOS R series. But don't let its size fool you. It's packing some serious creative potential. Perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a no-fuss, budget-friendly option, it's the kind of camera that makes photography feel effortless and fun. With its 24.1 megapixels advanced photo system Type-C complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, you'll capture sharp images with smooth, natural bokeh that makes your shots pop instantly. The Digic 8 processor works quietly in the background, giving you reliable performance whether you're snapping photos or jumping into 4K video recording. No fancy learning curve, just pure creative freedom. And for the video enthusiast in you, the R100 has you covered. Shoot silky slow motion in HD at up to 120 frames per second, keep things smooth in full HD at 60 frames per second, or step into cinematic 4K at 24 frames per second. Whether it's family moments, content for your socials, or your first dive into filmmaking, this camera is flexible enough to keep up with your vision. Best of all, since it's a mirrorless system with interchangeable lenses, you're not stuck in a box. As your skills grow, so can your gear. If you want affordability, portability, and performance all rolled into one, the Canon EOS R100 is your easy win. Woo! We made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best cheap cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which cheap camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.